withUnitree's robots giant spectral displays showroom to represent a collaborative showcase of advanced technology together with our KineticScreen. Product is SpectrumDisplay KineticScreen SPKI 160. It is more than a conventional LED display. It combines LED visuals with a kinetic mechanical structure to create a more dynamic visual experience. Kinetic module measures 160 by 160 mm and can be precisely controlled through programming to create dynamic movements, transforming flat images into visually immersive three-dimensional effects. Cabinet measures 640 by 480 mm and weighs approximately 24 kg. It supports front maintenance for easier installation, servicing, and maintenance. With a pixel pitch of p1.98, this display is ideal for presenting high-definition content at close viewing distance in showrooms, live events, technology space, and other commercial environments. As the robot beams its performance, the KineticScreen becomes more than just a backdrop. It becomes part of the stage itself. The robot's performance precise programmed movements while the KineticScreen synchronizes its visuals and mechanical motion, creating a more engaging and immersive experience. Combination is ideal for technology showrooms, brand launches, commercial events, stage performances, and immersive exhibition spaces. The KineticScreen creates sterling visual effects, while the robot enhances interactivity and the overall sense of innovation. The display integrates kinetic motion, LED display technology, and intelligent robotics to create more engaging and future-ready display experiences.